What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Fox Den. Welcome back to the vlog. And you read that title right. I am going to keep my G37. If you've seen the previous video, I was talking about how I want to get a Q50 or Q60, and in order to do that, I would have to sell the G37 because I can't have both. It's just not a thing. But while the Q50 and Q60 are great, I love this car. There's just something about it. I don't know how to explain it. And I got it out in the sort of spring weather the other day, and I was just like, wow, this thing is nice, because I forgot how awesome it is in the sun, how awesome it looks, and it's great. I get nothing but compliments on it. So it just kind of made me change my mind and like, let's keep it going. So what's next? Well, I'll tell you what, when I said the build was over a few months ago, it's not over. We are going to do more to it, which we'll get to later in the video. We are gonna go see my guy Moogie today. We're gonna see his G37 because he's done a couple of things to his G since we saw him last. And we're gonna show you guys what he's done. We're gonna get some shots of his G37. I feel kind of bad because I haven't really got any good shots of his G yet, because we just always go nuts in the videos. But we're gonna show you guys his G37, a more in-depth look, show you what he's done to it in the past few months. And yeah, we're gonna have him tell you what he's planning on doing to his G, because he, as of right now, has decided to keep his G37 as well. And then we'll reveal what's coming for my G37, and you guys are gonna want to stick around for that. Unfortunately, we're not gonna boost it. I'll tell you that right now. It's just not really a thing. The motor's got too many miles on it for that. But we are gonna do the next best thing. And you guys are not gonna wanna miss the reveal for that, so make sure you stick around for the vlog. Let's go over to Moogie's. We're gonna hang out, maybe cruise, get some good pictures, and yeah, should be a good day. Let's do it. All right, we're gonna have the Moogie's, and yeah, it smells real good in here. Highly recommend the Little Trees Caribbean Colada. All right, guys, we are gonna head to Moogie's, and yeah, hopefully it'll be a cool video. So let's go. It's the roll the windows down kind of day today. Finally. Guys, I can't believe I'm in shorts already. This is awesome. And then like I said, it's gonna snow on Thursday or something stupid like that, so we'll enjoy this while it lasts. Unbelievable. But anyway, guys, we'll see you when we get to my guy Moogie's house. We are here at CLC headquarters. So for those of you who don't know, where's the camera? There it is. There's my guy Moogie. This is a G37. Feel kind of bad. I never really got good shots of his car before. Dude, I haven't seen the spacers yet. That's so dope.
Dude, I hate them.
Why? Why?
Oh, look how out they are. Like, it looks like from the back, you look at the back, it looks like I have 305s. Like it looks like a freaking drag radio.
Dude, it looks meaty. I like it.
I don't like it. I'm not a big fan of it. Should have went with half-face.
You guys, this is actually, for those of you who don't know, this used to be on my car, this exhaust. I sold it to him, and I got the motor done. So he It's got the Motordyne XYZ Y pipe without the resonator, and this is a Top Speed Pro 1 exhaust. And he actually removed the mufflers because it was too quiet, which I don't really blame him for that. So I haven't heard the car yet, so let's see what it sounds like. I actually cut the mufflers off at one point. I had high flow cats, it sounded like shit, but...
Dude, it sounds good,
oh my
right?
god! Dude! Oh my god. That's as loud as the Motordyne.
Dude, it sounds good, right?
Oh my god!
It doesn't sound bad. See, now this is why I'm gonna get scared when I do want to go for high flow cats or like catless down pipes, because I don't know how it's gonna sound now.
It might be a little high pitched, but
that's what I'm saying.
You can just grab yourself a couple small mufflers, throw them on there. And these shitty welds are brought. Where are they? I guess they're gone. These shitty welds are brought to you by yours truly when I cut them off.
Dude,
on
they're
my
so
car.
resonated. Like, look in the front.
Yeah, they're huge.
Holy shit. Yeah, I mean.
Oh yeah, there's a shit welds that I put on there.
Oh, you did it?
Yeah, because I cut them off and I put them back on.
Oh, you did them with the high flow cats?
Yeah, because I want it was too quiet, so I want to see what it sounds like. I ended up putting it back on because it sounded like ass. But I didn't. That was just open pipe without an exhaust tip, so it might sound better with how you have it.
You know what's weird? I went to go do emissions today. After they plugged in the OBD and took it out, I got passed, right?
Yeah.
Driving, my car just shuts off mid-drive, turns back on by itself. That's never happened until after I did the emission. Like, like it wouldn't turn off fully. It would be like my full electric system would just fucking turn off, and then dude, I get all the fucking warnings on my fucking dash, and then in 1 second they go away. The car resets internally and then fucking drives. I swear to God, it's so weird.
Dude, what the hell?
I'm scared. That's why I'm scared about the tune now. I don't want to.
This is my guy Khalid, the manager of CLC. What's up, bro?
What up, man?
He got some rollers of his car, and I did a shitty job of it. So this is his G37. This is the real Sport. Unlike mine, is the fake Sport. And he's got plans for this car too. And it's funny because when I had the XYZ Y pipe, I had the resonator on it, the XYZ resonator. I sold it to Moogie, and he gave it to him, and now he has that on here with, and that's it. No mufflers, just the resonator, and it sounds so great.
Billy! 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 Are you okay? Hey guys, I got a surprise.
Hey, what's up? Yeah, new camera. It's nice, huh?
Oh yeah, dude, the M50 is beautiful.
Oh yeah.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. You ready?
Nice face tracking.
What am I looking at?
With the website on top.
The administration.
Oh my fucking god, this is like...
Oh! You finally got it? Yeah, man. We got a 2-minute shit. You know the vibe, man. Fuck, my car's gonna be slow now. God damn it.
Except my second gear.
Until I get the tune, then my second gear.
You have to get the fucking OBD2 fucking connector.
No,
Right?
yeah, I had to get the kit.
Hey, yeah, the whole
think
kit.
about it, if my second
So you
gear
can't
is
use
crazy.
your
Bro, that's what I was
kit?
thinking. I was like, can I use your kit?
Yeah, and when you asked me, I was really confused. I'm like, oh yeah, you could use it. But then I remembered, oh wait, it's only good for one ECU.
That's so stupid.
So even if
Hey!
Just start it or whatever.
I've been 764.
Okay.
And then hold down cancel and watch the tack.
Yeah.
Now see how it goes up
Oh,
to 2?
okay.
That's the burble tune. So if you, hit it again,
Wait,
the economy map, and then 4 is the security map, which you can't start the car.
Wait, where do you
So-
see the numbers?
So 4 is
On the
what?
Wait, where?
You see how it dies? That's a security map. So it cuts
Oh,
the
shit.
ignition and injectors. Yeah, it shows you what map you're in. Yeah.
So
This is raw. Oh, what the hell?
okay,
Bro,
one's
this is-
race 2,
It's raw, bro.
Yeah,
Two-
1.
It's verbal.
Yeah.
3 is economy.
Yeah.
I know, yeah.
4 is safety.
Yeah, anti-theft is what it's called.
That's
I don't
actually
like that.
smart though, to be honest.
Oh, dude, I use it.
I wish it was a verbal tune for my car.
And then cancel the select, or you can just let it select for you. So yeah, it's not hard. And you can do it on the phone and all that, but I just do it on there. All right, so the acid tree has begun. I do believe we're gonna be doing another race with Khalid. I'm gonna race Moogie, because he just bought the tune, and we're gonna do a comparison. Dude, his car is so clean. I'm so glad he's keeping the car. That's just so awesome. Dude, the top speed exhaust without the muffler sounds so damn good. What the fuck, dude? Dude, when I had that exhaust, I should have did that. But I was worried it wouldn't sound good. But he does have stock cats, so. Squad's out here. Boogie is having an issue with his G. He keeps losing power. And they're just being assholes. 387 for 93, guys. Unbelievable. There's nothing, no power, anything?
Wait, my question is, tried to start it, it's gonna reach? It is battery, wouldn't it?
Oh, he got that Dollar Tree fucking thing.
Oh my god, imagine. He gets everything from Dollar Tree.
Is this gonna reach?
Yeah.
No, this ain't gonna reach, bro. Oh my god.
You gotta move your car.
No, it has to be side by side.
Yeah.
Just move my car back a little
shift it
bit.
into neutral. The car won't fucking even turn on. I don't have shift
Watch
lock.
out, watch out.
The shift lock shit, I'm not gonna use that
Don't move,
shit.
don't move.
No, bring it, reverse it back, park it right next to me, right here.
Oh yeah, there you go.
The G37
You gotta slow it
took a
sometimes.
shit. Battery's fucked. That's how it's starting.
The weird part is this never happened until after I did my weird.
Boogie's car is not starting. We don't know why. It was cutting off. Alright, man, I got you.
I just want him to go on the fucking curb into the fucking area so he can fucking.
Daddy, you wanna go on the curb? Hey man, I think you'll make the curb.
Hey, yo, yo.
I honestly think you'll make it.
No, keep
Off-road
turning,
that
keep
shit.
turning. Okay, keep go. Look at left.
Straight it out.
Left. No, a little bit.
Alright, keep going.
Keep going straight.
Keep going. No, what a minute. No, it's not.
Dude, is that a bag melted on your brake disc?
Yeah, today's not a good day, huh?
This might fucking work.
Yeah, today's not a CLC day.
Your paint. Always gotta put.
I was just happy as long as it was here, you know, I wasn't by myself.
Yeah, that would've been a fucking bad fucking day, wouldn't it?
We got the G37.
You know, I would have came here. Me and Billy would have like sped up.
We would have rolled down. We would have saved your ass. I got some jumper cables at home.
I had jumper cable in the car.
So we don't know what's going on with it. Could be a bad battery, bad ground. We'll see.
All right, crank that shit.
Alright, give you more power.
Okay. Okay.
There you go. So it's probably the battery.
Damn.
I get a surprise.
Fuck that. Oh, that's the.
You gotta discharge them. Discharge them. We're good.
So we got his car going.
Are you ready?
we're gonna go pick up a new battery. So we did the races. If you want to see them, check out Moogie's channel at Chicago Lane Changers. It was a pretty good race, so highly recommend you check out his channel so you can see the races. Real dope.
Fox, I mean, honestly, it probably doesn't fucking run. I'm gonna be honest. This Fox and beast right here. Fuck.
Formatting.
The bags of potatoes here for the model.
Alright, we got a new battery in Moogie's car, so hopefully it'll be good.
So this is what happened basically in the runs. I don't know if you guys could hear me through the wind and stuff. Did you get it with mice? Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. They were complaining about who was driving. Who? Them. Wallah. Jimmy? Don't rev. Don't rev. Don't rev.
I didn't rev, just a disclaimer, I did not rev.
Okay. Do the high flow peds have an advantage over the normal?
Absolutely. Absolutely. That's honestly the best bang for your buck mod that I ever did for this thing.
Really? Bro, yeah, definitely the next thing would probably be catless downpipes or high flow peds.
Someone felt
But
stinky.
no, for real. I mean, this thing really
Someone felt
did
stinky today.
do way better than mine. Obviously, I don't have a tune, so if you guys do want a tune,
What the fuck? Dude, why are you touching that thing?
Alright, I need Chipotle.
never had Chipotle.
Never had Chipotle.
No.
Oh, that's. Alright, let's go. Are you a burrito guy?
Oh yeah, dude. Hell yeah.
Burrito or like a burrito bowl?
Burrito.
You like getting your hands dirty?
Yeah.
Like you.
Oh yeah.
Not ready with.
So now we're headed to Chipotle. You can laugh. I've never had it before. So, should be good. Holy shit, dude. This poor car, I feel so bad. Don't worry, I'm gonna take care of you nice. Alright, time has come. Tell you guys what's coming for this car. As I said before, I'm not gonna boost it. Too many miles, which sucks. But we're gonna do the next best thing. Full bolt-on E85. We're gonna do the upper intakes, lower intakes, admin 3-inch intakes, probably ISR long tube headers, catless.
Hey, how you doing? Hey,
But yeah, I'll be fully catless, and you guys think this car is loud now? If I do the headers, it'll be stupid loud. Might have to add mufflers, to be honest with you. The full E85 kit, injectors, everything. It's gonna be awesome. We should be pushing about at least 330 wheel, possibly touch the 340 range, probably will touch the 340 range. There's probably other mods that I didn't mention, but it's gonna be awesome. I love this car, I just can't get rid of it. If it breaks, I will have to get rid of it, but mod it till it blows, is what it is. So that's gonna wrap up today's video, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure you subscribe and join the Fox Pack today. Hit the bell notification so you'll be notified when we do something stupid. Remember, follow me on Instagram at SilverFoxG37 and our racing club at Silver Fox Racing Group. Make sure you follow my guy Moogie, Billy, and Khalid on Instagram and Chicago Lane Changers. Remember, life is too short to stay stuck, and it's only illegal if you get caught. Stay foxy.